So earlier we have discussed 6b exercise few problems. Now we'll discuss another problem. Then we'll have 6b exercise in serial order. So we'll start questions based on the previous formulas. What are the formulas given in the last class? You have to perfectly revise those formulas, by heart them. Then only you are going to understand this one. Now in this 6b exercise, 8th question. Let I equals to integral of 1 by 8 plus 2x square dx. Whenever you find any term with square, you should first arrange them in order. If plus sign is there, you can arrange them in order by taking 2x square plus 8. If at all minus is there, we can't arrange that one. Now make this x square free from this coefficient by taking 2 common. X square plus 4. Suppose here 5 is there. That time if we take 2 common, this becomes 5 by 2. This is 8, so we have multiple, so dx as it is. Whenever you are writing integral, keep in mind to write dx with that. Now 1 by 2 outside. Integral 1 by x square plus 4 can be written as 2 square dx. Now this is the form. In last class I have given you few formulas. You have to get perfect in that one. 1 by x square plus a square dx equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now this is x square and number is a square. So 1 by 2 into 1 by a tan inverse x by a value is 2 plus c. So after multiplication this will be 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Whenever you find any function, any quadratic type thing here, you have to arrange them in order. By making in other exercise, you get to know the perfect idea regarding that one. Now just go through with the formulas, then you can try these questions. Now in this one, multiple in the numerator comes out. And these terms you have to arrange in order. Because 9x square has multiple 9, that 9 will take common. So x square plus this is 25 by 9. This 9 is multiple, root of 9 is 3. 1 by root over x square plus this 25 and 9 can be written as 5 by 3 whole square. You should always write this number, second number in perfect square, means in terms of square. Next is formula. In which formula it comes? X square and root is there. So number is a square. 1 by x square plus a square is sin h inverse x by a plus c. So 2 by 3 into sin h inverse into x by a plus c. Now 2 by 3 sin h inverse, this 3 comes to the numerator, 3x by 5 plus c. Three by root over 9x square minus 1, so no need of arrangement, 3 comes out, 1 by root over 9 common, x square minus, because here 9 is not there, so 1 by 9 and dx. This 9 is under root, so it becomes 3 outside. 1 by root over x square minus 1 by 9 is 1 by 3 whole square. 3 cancel. So this is integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. X square minus a square is cos h inverse x by a plus c. So this is cos h inverse x by 1 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 is 3x plus c. One more type of these questions are there. So what we have, 3x square by 1 plus x power 6. What you have to do is, when you find x square and x power 6 here, least degree is x square, just add 1 to that square. What you will get? X power 3. So in denominator, you should write x power 3 in place of 6. Now to make that one 6, what we have to multiply? 2 to it. And dx. T is equals to x cube, dt is equals to 3x square dx. Now whatever bracket part, take it as t. 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse t. Similar case, we have x power 2, so I is equals to integral x square by root over 1 minus x power 6 can be written as x power 3 in bracket, because power 2 is there, take one extra degree, add 1 to it, then dx. dt is equals to 3x square dx. Now we got 3x square dx, we don't find 3 here, so what we will do, we will take 1 by 3 and 3. So this becomes 1 by 3 into integral dt divided by 1 dt you can consider 1 minus t square. 1 by root 1 minus x square, sine inverse x. Sine inverse, in place of t you should write x cube. Now 2x cube, x power 8. Cube is there, least degree cube. So what we will do, we will write this x power 8 as x power 4 and square to it. So t is equals to x power 4, dt is equals to 4x cube dx. Now we don't find here dx is there. We don't find 4 here. So we will multiply 2 and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 integral, this is 4x cube dx, which is 1 dt, 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Tan inverse, in place of t, we will write the value x power 4 plus c. 15th one, which is quite important also. X power 8 and 1 by x power 8 divided by 1 plus x power 18. X power 18 can be written as 9 because 8 is there, 9 power 2. Then t will be the bracket part. dt is 9x power 8 dx. This becomes 1 by 9 into 9. So 1 by 9, this is 1 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Same case, 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. 1 by 9 tan inverse t value is x power 9 plus c. Okay, practice those questions and try those questions one time and message me. First by heart the formulas perfectly, then try those questions.